Installing and setting up the GMD browser application is fairly simple. After it's downloaded, you'll just extract it. It'll create another directory called GMD browser. Go into that directory, right click, open terminal here. If you're using a different version of Linux or a different desktop, you might have to launch your terminal from your application launcher and then navigate to wherever your download file is. Inside the file or the folder that was created, there'll be a setup.py, and that's what we need to run. So sudo/setup.py install. We'll enter a password. All right, technically the application is installed at this point. You actually could run it. It adds a symbolic link in the appropriate place so that you can run it from the command line. And if you look in the application launcher, it also appears here. It is usable like this. There's one more one more option to set though, to make it more convenient. We're going to set the document store location, and mine is, I use Nextcloud, so mine's under Nextcloud, and then I use a folder called Notebook where I keep all my notes. I actually have a few. I have a journal and this notebook, and then we have some family files that we use that are all marked down now as a result of this application. But I'll show you how to set this directory to whatever you want to set yours to. So we'll sudo nano/opt/gmdbrowser/model/properties. This is the path to the properties file. And then you hit enter and it'll open it up. And here's the document directory. This is the primary document directory that is used every single time the application loads. So I had copied this path here, I just copied. And then in here, I'm going to delete what's there, and I'm going to use Control-Shift-V to paste in the new one and just get rid of the trailing slash. Control-X will exit, and it'll ask you if you want to save. We do want to save, and then we'll hit enter because we're just going to overwrite the existing properties file. So now, if we hit start and we hit GMD, you'll see it's here. I'm going to right-click this and add this to the favorites, so now it shows up here, and I usually move this up underneath my regular browser. So my web browser and then GMD. And so it's there. That's all there is to it. It's ready to use. I'll make another video in the future that kind of demonstrates its usefulness.